Hi, it's your teacher, Miss Esther. Today we're going to learn about the letter M. So here's our friend. His name is M the Moose. Say the letter M's name and wave to him. Say, hello, M. Isn't he cute? Look, there's the, I think it's the big letter M. That must be the daddy. And there's the baby letter M. What are they eating? It looks like they're eating meatballs. And I bet they like their meatballs. So put your hand on your belly and go, In the back, I'm going to read you a story. And your instructor, if she forgets the action, it's right here. So M the Moose is going to eat these meatballs. And every time he does, he goes, Actually, I'm going to put it on song form for you. Here we go.
M the Moose said to Mom, watch me magically make these meatballs melt.
Okay, get your hand ready.
In my mouth.
Ready? Say the sound.
He mumbled while munching on his first mouth.
One more time. Ready?
He muttered.
Your instructor can do more of that with you. Make sure when you say the letter M sound, your lips are closed. They're not open. So a fun game that we can play. We'll gather things around the house that some start with the letter sound and some don't. If they start with the sound, then M the Moose gets to eat them. And if they don't, I have to eat them. So here we go. This is mustard. Let me think. Mustard. Does that start with the sound? It does. So M the Moose gets to eat it. I like mustard. Okay, let's do another one. This is some meat. Let's listen. Meat. Do you hear the sound? I do too. So he gets to eat it. This is corn. Corn. Does corn start with the sound? Nope. He doesn't get to eat it, so I do. That was kind of tasty. So you can gather a lot of food around the house, and with your instructor, you can decide if it starts with the sound or if it doesn't. Another fun activity, it's found in the Amazing Action Alphabet activity book, along with the theme day, Many Healthy Munchies. We have an M the Moose right here. And once you color him and cut him out, he can say the sounds that begin with the sound. When you're saying that first sound, really hold out the sound. I'll do some of this with you. Okay, here we go. This is macaroni, muffin, milk, and there's some meat. Oh, look at this one. There's mustard. And the last I bet you'll like is marshmallow. Those are pretty good. Now, for those of you that are a little bit older, we get to start our very first story in the Amazing Action Alphabet Beginning Reader book. So here is the game we did. We sorted out the things that start with the sound and put them on our plate. And now we're ready to read words that start with the sound. And I have my little moose to help us read today. Okay? So when I point to the letter M, I want you to say that sound. Muffin. Do you like to eat muffins? It seems like she does. Let's do the next one. Macaroni. You can continue to read this story, and once you're all done, you get to color in the very first box, saying, hey, I did it. And I want you to do it 1, 2, 3 more times at home so you can have mastery of that letter. Okay? So if you need to remember where these books can be found, it's seeheardocompany.com.